Assalamualaikum. Greetings. My name is Nurhidayah Sabri from Faculty of Health Sciences, UiTM Pinang, Bertam Campus, Malaysia. I'll be presenting Assessment of Water Quality at Padang Terap River in Kedah, Malaysia for 3rd International Virtual Conference on Business, Innovations and Society 2023. My presentation will consist of introduction, methodology, result, discussion, conclusion, recommendation, and list of reference. As an introduction, water is a transparent, odorless, and tasteless chemical substance that covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and we require an adequate intake of water to maintain proper bodily functions. Clean and safe water is needed for supporting ecosystems, promoting human health, and sustaining economic activities. According to the World Health Organization (WHO) on 1976, polluted water, poor sanitation, or a lack of water cause up to 80% of all health issues and illnesses globally. A sanitary survey is performed to assess the suitability of a public water system source, facilities, equipment, operation, and maintenance. In this study, there are 3 problem statements addressed. The first one, the growth of agricultural land and farming along the river's coast. The river was contaminated with leftover cattle feed and animal waste. The nitrogen level increased and promotes the excessive growth of aquatic plant and algae, resulting in ongoing issues with water quality. The second one, improper management of wastewater systems and solid trash from eateries along the river. Garbage are directly dumped into rivers without any progressive filtration. It can pollute the water supply and puts the communities and the environment health at peril. It can cause an environmental deterioration. And the third one, construction sites near the river. There are several pollutants that can cause a harmful effects towards the aquatic life. Sedimentation from construction can cause the rise in the level of turbidity. Water can become hazardous to consume as a result of chemicals left behind, trash dumping, and rainfall pollution. This slide shows the agricultural activities, the improper waste management, and constructional activities that been going on along the river. This study have 2 types of study objective. The first one is the general study objective, which is to determine the community of Padang district received water sources that is clean and safe for their daily consumption. While the specific objective, there are 3 of it. The first one, to evaluate the pH, turbidity, the total dissolved solid, the dissolved oxygen, and conductivity in water at various sampling points in the Padang Terap River, as well as Bukit Jenun Lama treatment plant. The second one, to identify the number of total coliforms and E. coli at the Padang Terap River and Bukit Jenun Lama water treatment plant. And the last one is to identify a few solutions that could improve the water quality in the Padang Terap River so that the community there can receive clean and safe water for their daily consumption. In the methodology part, the first one is sample selection. 8 locations at Padang Terap River were chosen as sampling points. They are Kampung Kuala Lanjut, Alatar Terusan Tengah, Kampung Banggul Temak, Kampung Kerkau, Kampung Bukit Kecil, Kampung Cegar, Kampung Lubuk Ula, and Kedah Tanjung Setul. There were also 8 sampling points at Bukit Jenun Lama Water Treatment Plant, which is at water intake point, after aeration, coagulation channel, flocculation tank, sedimentation tank outlet, filter tank outlet, clear water tank, and treatment plant outlet. This slide shows the sampling point at Padang Terap River, Kampung Kuala Lanjut, while at the right photo is the physical water sampling conducted. This is the sampling point at Bukit Jenun Lama Water Treatment Plant. There is aeration tank, coagulation channel, and clear water tank. The sample of water is being taken here. For data collection, the value of parameters such as pH, turbidity, total dissolved solid, dissolved oxygen, and conductivity at 8 sampling points in Padang Terap River and Bukit Jenun Lama Treatment Plant were obtained by carried out the physical test. For chemical and microbiological samples, they were sent to the Department of Chemistry for further analysis. There are also direct observation about river sanitation. For data measurement and data analysis, the physical test results were obtained by using the pH meter, turbidimeter, dissolved oxygen meter, conductivity meter, and calorimeter. There were also physical, chemical, and microbiological sampling. This slide shows the result and discussion for physical parameters of Padang Terap River from 8 sampling station, which is Kampung Kuala Lanjut, Alatar Terusan Tengah, Kampung Banggul Temak, Kampung Kerkau, Kampung Bukit Kecil, Kampung Cegar, Kampung Lubuk Ula, and Kedah Tanjung Setul. The parameters are temperature, pH, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, and total dissolved solid. No violations recorded. However, the turbidity value at the 8th point, which is Kedah Tanjung Setul, is the highest, which is 87.6 NTU. This point has higher turbidity due to construction site nearby the river. And according to US EPA on 2022, the loose soil that flows to the river may cause river water to turn cloudy, and it may change the pace and flow rate of the water and increase flood risk. This slide is the data for physical parameters of Bukit Jenun Lama Water Treatment Plant. There are 8 sampling stations, which is water intake point, after aeration, coagulation channel, flocculation tank outlet, sedimentation tank outlet, filter tank outlet, clear water tank, and treatment plant outlet. The parameters are temperature, pH, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, and level of chlorines. No violations were recorded. The turbidity value decreases as the treatment process reaches completion. Point water intake point, which is point LO1, is the first stage of water treatment plant. The location close to the construction site causes its high turbidity value, which is 109 NTU. The Bukit Jenun Lama Water Treatment Plant managed to process the river water and the turbidity value compliance with the standards. For microbial parameters of Padang Terap River, The value of total coliform and E. coli at Kampung Banggul Temak and Sungai Kerkau violate the prescribed value, which are 5,000 mpn per 100 milliliter. The results of total coliform at Kampung Bukit Kecil Station is more than the permissible standard by showing an amount of 9,200 mpn over 100 milliliter. Stations that have violated the prescribed value of E. coli and total coliform are due to the agricultural activities nearby the river's location. There are goat shed and fish farming activities near to the river area. Poor handling of goat excrement by the operator will lead to the river pollution and may increase the risk of spreading waterborne diseases. While data of microbial parameters of Bukit Jenun Lama Water Treatment Plant shows the Station 3 coagulation channel recorded the highest total coliform value, which is 5,400 mpn over 100 milliliter. This station is located at the coagulation channel. The high amount of total coliform in this point is because chlorine, which works to kill microbes, has not been added. The Bukit Jenun Lama Water Treatment Plant is effective in treating the water, as the total coliform of water at the last point, which is treatment plant outlet, complies with the standard. As the conclusion, the physical and chemical parameters comply with the standard. A few collisions were detected in microbial sampling in Padang Terap River sampling points. This is because the agriculture, construction and eateries activities were found alongside the river. This is the list of references used in this study. List of references continue. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you.